Math Gad.
Oh, Math Gad guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to use the discriminant of a quadratic formula in order to tell how are going to be the solutions of that quadratic equation. So guys, let's begin. So guys, the thing we're going to be doing now is that we're going to be learning the steps of finding the discriminant of a quadratic formula. So the steps go like this, guys. The first thing we're going to do is, as always, we're going to identify A, B, and C. So we have ax squared plus bx plus c. Now, a is always going to be the term next to the x squared, b is going to be the term next to x, and c is going to be the independent term, right? After that, you're going to write down the formula for the discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. So guys, if d is higher than 0, you're going to have two solutions. If d is equal to 0, you're going to have just one solution. And if d is less than 0, so if it's negative, you're going to have no solutions when you graph, right? Because here you're going to get, of course, imaginary solutions, right? So you're going to get I whenever the determinant is less than 0. So basically, if you have a graph, the graph of d higher than 0 would be something like this, right? So it cuts 2 times the x-axis. If you have d equal to 0, you would just have 1 point touching the x-axis, right? Something like this. But if d is less than 0, you would have no contact with the x-axis, right? So that is how you can tell that you have two real solutions, one real solution, or no real solutions. Guys, now we will be taking a look at a problem which is x squared minus 3x plus 3 equal to 0. And we're going to see and analyze the quadratic formula with the discriminant in order to know if we're going to have either two real solutions, one real solution, or no real solutions. Okay, guys, so the first thing is that we're going to identify A, B, and C. A is going to be 1 because we have it here. B is going to be minus 3, and C is going to be positive 3. And now we're going to write down the formula of the discriminant. So D is going to be equal to B squared minus 4 times A times C. So B to the power of 2 is going to be a value of minus 3 to the power of 2 minus 4 times A times C. So we're going to get 9 minus 4 times 1 times 3. And we're going to get 9 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 3 is 12. And 9 minus 12 is going to be minus 3. So what that means, guys, is that since d is less than 0, we're going to get no real solutions. Because you have to remember that the discriminant in the quadratic formula is inside the root. So the square root of minus 3 is going to be 3i. So it's going to be an imaginary number. And that is why we say there are no real solutions. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills. And make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts. Drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!